right, so here we go. This is on the back side of the note sheet. This is problem number 2. So I'm going to do problem number 2 right now. I want everybody paying close attention because as soon as I'm done, you're going to have to do it by yourself. All right? So here we go. The question is, so how do we begin? We factor. Oh, wait a minute. Is everybody here today? That's a bonus point. Awesome. Okay. So, when I factor this, the first thing my VWIs notice is that I can take a 2 out of the top. So I am going to do that. When you were a little child, your teacher told you, always take out the GCF, greatest common factor. That's what we do. When you take that 2 out, this becomes manageable. How does that numerator factor? X minus 2, x minus 1. How does my denominator factor? X plus 5, x minus 1. Erica.
Would it still work if you took out 2x minus 4 and x minus 1?
But then you have to factor the 2x minus 4.
You have to?
Yeah, because what could happen, that could be a hole and you wouldn't recognize it unless you factored it completely. So you need to factor completely. The order that you do it, Erica, no, does not matter. But you eventually have to do it. Okay, here we go. What do you notice? We're going to have a hole. Our problem is 2x minus 2 over x plus 5. This is what we're going to graph. But we have a hole at the point where x is, positive 1. We have a hole where x is positive 1.
Can you put 1 in for the x's?
So then we put 1 in for the x's, because that's how we get y. So when we put 1 in, we have 2 times negative 1 over 6. If I put a 1 there and a 1 there, which is negative 1/3. So I plot a point, the graph's getting graded, so I plot a point at 1 comma negative 1/3.
Wait, how'd you get negative 1? Oh, is that minus? I don't have my glasses on.
1 minus 2 is negative 1, Moses.
We have to label.
Now, tell me what else is in my graph. I've given you a list. It says vertical asymptotes, horizontal asymptotes, x-intercepts, and y-intercepts. So tell me, look right here in the box, tell me what you know about that picture. What do you know about it? Lauren?
The horizontal asymptote is 1. Isn't it? Is it asymptote?
The horizontal asymptote would not be 1. What would the horizontal asymptote be? 2. Because we have 2x over 1x.
So even though the 2 is not with the x, it's still
It is
considered
with the x. I mean, yes, I factored it out, but it's still 2x if I put it back together. There's 2 of them there. So 2x over x.
I'd say if it helps, just look back at the original.
Yep. What else, Savannah?
The vertical asymptotes have
X equals negative 5 is my vertical asymptote. Where do vertical asymptotes come from? what makes the denominator 0, right? That would be -5, okay? The intercepts are points where something is 0, right? So if I put 0 in for x, what do I get? -4/5. So if I put 0 in for x, I get -4/5. Put 0 in for x. Now how do I find my x-intercept?
Like 0 and for y.
Put 0 in for y. So I'm going to solve this. I'm going to bring this over to here. Divide by 2 and add 2. So it looks like I have an x-intercept at 2, 0. Now at this point, you need to graph it. So can you see what's happening? Gonna have a nice normal picture, kids. I'm not gonna trick you. Whoops. I'm not gonna trick you. I'm not gonna give you anything weird. Nice normal shape there. Am I done? No. What else do I need? I need right up here, right? There's the other piece, right up there in that corner. Katie.
How do you, like, do you ever have to pay attention to the powers of x? Like, is that?
In terms of your horizontal asymptote, you have to pay attention that they match.
If they don't, then like.
Well, then, if they don't match and the big power's on the bottom, your asymptote's at 0. If the big power's on top, there is no horizontal asymptote.
Wouldn't it be 2x minus 4? What happened to the 2 in front?
It's not. You had yourself
You distribute that, or like what do you do?
I divided by 2, divided both sides by 2. If you distribute it, it doesn't matter. I mean, that's fine too. You're still going to get x equals
I got you.
2. So either way, it doesn't matter. All right, here we go, fans. No calculator. You need your brain fully functioning.